Starting the morning off where I finished yesterday, I gas and go'd a unit with 410A. I want to find the leak first thing this morning and set up a repair. So let's get it. This is normally where they leak, up here on the coil. I don't see any oil or any signs of leaking around this condenser. I think I got her. Look at those burrs. I don't feel nothing coming out. Leak detector does though. Big time. So you can see here, it's the fins. This was too tight up against it, vibrating, and it caused a leak. Some on the liquid line too. All right, that's a repair for another day. That was a tough one. Not an easy one to find, especially with not many signs of oil, but the trusty old leak detector found her. Well, this thing is filled to the top. No leaks. Everything in here is dry. It's gonna drain and spin. Drain sounds clear. I hate chasing problems that you can't recreate. Hate to say it, but this one might be a callback on myself. Let's go find out. This is the one I replaced the 9-volt in. The light is green. I just heard it beep. It's in the other room. Got an air coat of some sort. Lots of water. I hope it's not an internal leak. Judging from this wetness, it is not an internal leak. Got about a quarter of a turn on this nut right here to the mixing valve. This is a flammable sensor air code, which is right here. This thing is, I don't know. This thing is definitely wet. We'll have to replace this. I got the power off, plug out. I'm gonna try and get some of this water out of this pan. Should have brought a shop vac. I swapped out this FD sensor. Now I need to manually reset this. Plug that in, turn the power on. Hold down both buttons until the green blinks. Now hold this again. reset. I'm gonna put this back. I just gotta go get a shot back and get all this water up. Just wanna make sure she fires up. We got fire. All right, we've been heating for quite a while. We got our FB sensor back where it's supposed to be. Our pan all dried up. Our fittings up here, nice and leak free. Let's go to the next one. Well, the water is definitely hot. We've got the left one going to the cold and the right going to the hot. These just need to be swapped. There we go. Now we got cold water. Let's see what's going on with the dryer. It's dirty, but not crazy dirty. Heater's definitely working. Let's check this. This is clogged up. This part only takes a minute. 1, 2, 3 Phillips head screws. Bunch of lint on there, bunch built up right there that can affect the drying efficiency. This one isn't super horrible, but it's definitely bad enough to affect how it dries. Put it all back together. I'm gonna check one more thing. Just wanted to make sure that bad boy kicked in, and it did. We are good to go. Oh, definitely coming out of the wall. Look at that. The toggle bolt broke. Holy moly. That's crazy. This little clip holds this plastic piece in. Whoever put this in tightened it way too much. Let's see what I got in the old bag. Do I got the right size wing nut? Probably not. So I do have another toggle bolt. Isn't it amazing how efficient you can be when you have all the right tools and parts on you? Well, I love these guys. They give me crap on my what's in my bag. I can fix everything. 95% of work orders with just a screwdriver and a pair of and a Leatherman. Yeah, eat my. This one just needs to be tightened. Good to go. For those that have hung out with me today, thank you so much. It really makes the day go by much faster and also makes it much more enjoyable. I'm gonna keep doing these until I burn out, keep doing these daily vlogs. I don't know if I'll be able to do one tomorrow. I've got to drive to a couple of properties, and then I'm at a property where everyone wants you to call ahead because they're all rich and live in a super big fancy high rise. So I don't know how much I'll be able to film over there, if at all. I'm gonna try to pump out at least 2 vlogs a week, at least. I appreciate everyone that have supported this, and let me know in the comments if you're watching the vlogs all the way through. I'll keep them going, and it'll motivate me to do them more the more comments I get. Thanks for watching. I'm Dave. See you on the next one.